Hey guys, it's Coach Sully from the Nanaimo Kettlebell Club, and today I want to give you a tip on kettlebell grip and how the way that you grip the kettlebell either is going to enhance or detract from the stability of the bell in the overhead. Let me show you. In kettlebell sport, an important part of your grip kinematics is that you get a deep enough insertion to stabilize the bell. When we're doing a snatch, for example, and we're coming up from the swing and we insert the hand, getting as deep as possible, and we want to make sure that we have fixation. So an overall sense of control of the weight. Now, if my grip is incorrect, the bell itself is going to be unstable. So there's two things going on. You need to be stable and the bell needs to be stable, more or less. But if you have the incorrect grip, the bell is going to be far less stable than it should be. If I'm gripping the handle like this in the palm of the hand, and I maintain that throughout the upswing of the snatch, I'm going to finish with something like this. And this results in the bell resting on the forearm with very little surface contact of the bell. There's very little surface area there, and it makes it really wobbly, okay? But if I get that deep insertion that we're looking for, my forearm actually rests in this little wedge here, and that stabilizes the bell a lot more. There's no wobbling, right? Even if I try to wiggle it, it pretty much just stays right where it wants to be, okay? So it's important then that when we're doing the snatch or as we're doing the jerk, that we're maintaining that really deep insertion so that we're wedged in and the bell is nice and stable and its movement is more predictable. What characterizes a deep insertion? Well, we want to get into the webbing between the thumb and the forefinger. And if you just rotate this guy all the way around until you make contact with the forearm, that's basically where you need to be, okay? And then we end up with that 45-degree across the palm of the hand. There's 3 contact points, middle of the palm, the webbing of the thumb and forefinger, and the forearm. Obviously, most of the pressure is there, but 3 points of contact. If there's any space here that's incorrect, the handle's resting far too high, we're not in the wedge, and it's not stable anymore. So when you're up here, especially with 2 heavy bells, and you feel like you can't control them, it might be because your insertion's not deep enough. So that's your tip for today, guys. Make sure you get that deep, deep, deep insertion so that you're getting into that wedge of the handle, and your sets are going to be far more stable and predictable, and hopefully that'll translate to your performance onto the platform. Thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more videos.